Hello, welcome to Grow New Plants. So today I'm going to plant some Chinese pistachio seeds, and I did a video on these last fall. I just noticed this too. Let's see if I can find one of these where you can see it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this on the video or not. So a couple of these, they got little tiny roots starting to stick out. So these things are, I know these are good seeds. So hopefully they'll turn into some pretty good ones. I haven't ever grown these before, so I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to do two 32 cell trays. So I'm going to have a total of 64 of these planted. I don't know if I'll get that many, but they look like good healthy seeds, so I'm hoping I'll get a pretty good germination rate out of these. It's a pretty popular tree around here. I'm in Texas. It's a pretty common tree. It's used a lot in landscaping, so hopefully it'll be one that'll have some, I just got dirt all in my seeds. It'll make it hard to pick my seeds out now, but I'll manage around that. So I'm just going to pack this in here pretty light still, and I'll just come through here and I'm just going to put one seed, and I'll just put it in and kind of poke it down with my finger, and then I'll come back and press the dirt around them to make sure they got good seed contact. So I got two of these trays to do, so I'm going to we'll talk here for just a second, then I'll fast forward through the rest of it. So these things are being planted. I'm at the end of May. Sorry, got two seeds in that one. I'm into the third week of May. May the 20th, I think, is the date. And so it's a little bit late to be planting them, but I ran into a problem last year, and I'll probably had the same problem this year, but I didn't have the problem because I didn't plant them as early. But basically I planted them early in May last year, and then it turned off cold for the rest of May, and it kind of did the same thing again this year. So at least this way the soil temperature should get up pretty high, and these things should germinate maybe a little bit quicker. And, you know, and just in general, my seeds, all the seeds that I planted, should germinate a little bit quicker than they did last year. So I'll tell you what, I'm going to fast forward through. I'll get all these planted, and then I'll tell you what, I'm going to hang on. So I'm going to show you basically the last thing I do for these, and then I'll fast forward through planting the second tray. I feel pretty confident that these are gonna, some of my videos I don't post until I get results. Some I post first and then wait when I get results, then I come back and, well, I can't tell if that's a seed or a piece of perlite. But some of these, I feel pretty confident about these, so I'm going to go ahead and post this video, and then we'll come back and do an update on it. So I got that seed pushed down in there, so I just kind of come back and make sure I got good contact with the soil around that seed. And then I'll come back and I'll put a real light coating back across the top to make sure the seed doesn't get exposed to the air. And that's pretty much all there is to it. My soil mix is 50% perlite, 50% peat moss, and then I have a Osmocote slow release fertilizer put into it. So that's pretty much it right there. So I'm going to do the second one. I'll fast forward through the second one real quick. Okay, I think I lost my camera at the end of planting these in here, but I got them all planted. I got 64 of them planted now. And as I said before, I feel pretty good that I'm going to get a really good germination rate out of these seeds. They just look very viable, and I was very careful about picking them last year. You can see there's the inside of a seed right there. They look great. So I feel pretty confident about these. So I'll move these to my table. I'll get them watered in, and hopefully in about a month or so, we'll come back up and we'll have some baby trees coming up. I appreciate you watching, and if you're curious about it, I'll link to the other video from this one. Oh, I got an orange seed in that one. I want to get that out. So I'll link to the other video of how I pick the seeds and determine whether the seeds are good or bad that I planted or that I posted last fall, so I'll link to that. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe, and then check back for the update probably in about a month or so. Thank you.